you've watched our previous video on how to create a digital invitation on Canva, today we're going to be creating the mock-up for Etsy. So you're going to go ahead and create a design. This time we're going to be using pixels. So you're going to be doing, I think it's 3,200 by 2,400. So we're just going to type that in, and then we're going to go ahead and make our Etsy mockup. So to begin with, as you can see, we're going to be uploading the invitation, which I've downloaded as a PNG, and I'm going to be uploading my logos, which I'm going to be using on the Etsy mockup. So we're just going to find a desk background. So let's type in desktop and see what comes up under photos. Okay, so there's some pretty interesting ones here that we can use. Now, consider the colours of your shop, of your logo, and take those into consideration. So we'll use this one, and then we'll add another one here. So there's two different ones. Okay, we're going to insert our invitation just like this. Click on edit image and go to shadows, and then you can add a shadow around your invitation so it looks like it's placed on the table. We're going to do the same thing here to this one. Edit image, shadow, and then you'll have something that looks like this. Now you're going to want to add your logo. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the logos in here, like this, so that you have them on the logos. Okay, now we're going to do one with text. I'm going to choose a grey background. Maybe because of my logo it needs to be a little bit darker. Let's do something like this. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste the invitation, and then we are going to search for arrows under graphics. Okay, so I'm going to make these white, and I'm going to point at the text, and I'm going to point at the name. Okay, now I'm just going to add in some text here. Customizable invitation. I'm going to make the text white so that it stands out. Obviously you can play with different colours and again fonts, and then we're going to do it like this. And then we're going to have this, and then we're going to type in digital invitation made to order, or maybe PDF delivery, maybe something like this. Add some kind of simple information on there that you want your customer to know. Play with the fonts. Maybe use fonts that are similar to that on the invitation. You know, you can just play about with the placement. And just add some quick text on there that you feel the customer would need. And then you can play about with the background, maybe add a gradient in. So you'll have something that would then look like maybe something like that, so that it's not just one block of colour. You know, play about with the sizing, maybe cover that cup up so that you can see the invitation better. Just literally something like this, and then you can download them as a PNG and upload them to your Etsy listing. And there you have your mock-ups for Etsy.